This is the COC pole bridge, pole meaning bridge in Farsi. I know it, so I have to translate it for you. It's a bridge that is over the, well, you can't really see it, but it's the Zayan Derud river, also known as the Golden River. It's a dry river, I think. Like water comes in the winter or something, but it's spring right now. Sun is really heating. Look at this beauty. Super old bridge. Okay, let's get in, into the river. It looks super dry, or maybe it's like dry all the time. I don't know. Look at this beauty. Let's get up there. Super old bridge. Look at this. It's so tight. I don't think it can pass. Oof. Super tight. I'm a bit claustrophobic, but it's nice. You can kind of see the water there, but it's just rained yesterday. Incredible piece of history. Well, I'll always talk about Ibn Sina Avicenna. Sorry. When he first came, first thing he saw was, well, first of all, it was all the villages around Isfahan, and then he saw the Zayande Rud river, the Golden River. This is the first thing he saw when coming to Isfahan. One advice I got from China's people who was living in China is always carry hot water with you. Hot water is good for blood circulation, for your throat, for body temperature, for everything. Always have a little bit of hot water. Tired. Look at the beauty of these crows. They are grey and black. I don't know if it's crows actually or something else, but they're so beautiful. And they're not afraid. Yeah, they're afraid. This is the Vank church. It's a church in the middle of the Armenian quarters of Armenian district of Isfahan. It's an Armenian church, very old. I think it's the 16th, and it's closed. I hope not. This is the statue of some Armenian archbishop. So I'm not really lost, but I'm a bit lost. But I ended up in this place because Khorshid. And I have to say that the food looks great, and it is great. It is great. They have potatoes, some pickled cauliflower, good salad. And here is the Vank church. Look at the beauty of it. It's incredible. Let's get inside. Oh, this is some memorial of some, yeah, bishops, I think. Armenian bishops. Oh, it's their tomb. I'm not walking on them. Oh wow. Oh, look at the beauty and all the details. It's incredible. You have the angels you can find in Hagia Sophia mosque in Istanbul. You have the same angels with 4 wings. This is so impressive. Los Angeles scary a little bit. Look at this. This looks like something out of a nightmare. Yeah, the body has disappeared, it's only the face. But it's impressive. It's the details and how preserved it is. We're in a Muslim country, but it's like it's part of their culture and part of their history. So they are not desecrating it or destroying it. I think this is a representation of hell. You have all the devils and people burning, and yeah, it is. And this map represents the migration route of the Armenians that came from Armenia, Yerevan, vank, and especially Ufa, and they started going down Kazvim, Rasht, I think Tehran is somewhere there, all the way to Isfahan here, and then all the way down to Bandar Abbas. The Armenians who settled here in Isfahan in this quarter called New Yolfa, they were mostly merchants, and they used all these merchants' roads. You see the map there? Yeah, and this is these are the belts of the old 24 churches of, well, not 24, but some of the old churches of New Yolfa. This river, I have to say, it's a bit of an Hegelian negation. Do you know the joke? The joke that says there's a man that enters into a coffee shop and he asks for coffee without cream. So the boy, how to say it, goes, then he comes back and says, sorry, we don't have coffee without cream, but I can serve you coffee without milk. Well, this is a bit like this, because it's a river without water. You know, it's a river because it's written, it's a bit of an NFT, I think. It's nice. Talking about coffees, I'm starting to understand a bit how it works. The rate is, I think, 27k tomans for €1. So I gave the exchange place 20 euros, and they gave me this big stack of money. There is 55 bills of 100,000 real, so 10k tomans. With 10k tomans, I drank double espresso in a pretty nice place. Which means that I have in my hands 55 double espressos for 20 euros. It's nice. I'll drink all of them.